Please repeat after me in a loud voice so you will also get used to the sound of each character. Ma, mi, mu, me, mo, ma, mi, mu, me, mo. So our first character is ma. So we can remember this by thinking that this is a mother with 4 arms, okay? And she is sitting with crossed legs because she is so tired of the day, doing the laundry, the cooking, the cleaning, and babysitting her baby. And we call her a super mama, okay? And this is ma, mama, ma. A mother with 4 arms doing all the chores of the day, and she is our super mama. Now let's practice ma. 1, 2, 3. This is stop, stop, and stop. Again, 1, 2, 3. Our next character is me. So can you see a number 21 in this character? This is number 2 and this is number 1. Okay? So imagine that you ask this beautiful girl how old she is, and she would say, me, 21. This is me, 21. So let's write me. So the first stroke is like you're writing a number 2. Stop. And the second stroke is number 1. Release. Okay, stop. Release. Again. 1, 2. Next is mu. So it's hard for me to find any mnemonics for this, but I think we can think of this as a mug. Okay, this is a mug, like that, and this is the handle. Okay, a mug, and this is mu. Mug, mu. From afar, we can actually see or imagine that this looks like a mug. Okay, so if you have other mnemonics for this character, you can comment down below so we can also help others who are struggling for this character. Okay, now let's try mu. 1, long stroke, release, stop. Okay, stop, stop, release. Again, 1, 2, release, stop. Next character is me. So me is actually a Japanese word for eyes. Okay, your beautiful eyes, and they actually like the eyes of us Filipinos, because we have bigger eyes than them, and they say we have thicker and longer lashes, and they like that. Okay, so we can think of this as an eye. Okay, and this is our super long lashes. Okay, me, eyes. So you have one word for that. Eyes in Japanese is me. Now let's write me with 2 strokes. 1, release. Okay, stop, release. Again, 1, 2. Next is mo. So imagine that this is a fishing hook. Okay? And you're about to go fishing and you want more fish, so you will put more bait. So this is the worm. Okay? Look at that cute worm. You put more worms, so more worms, more fish. Okay? Mo, and this is mo. More worms, more fish. Now let's practice mo. So first, draw a hook, 1, and the 2 worms. Okay? This is release, and this is stop and stop. Again, 1, 2, 3.